Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to be online and in the Photos app. Once ready, locate the image or images you want to share. Tap Select, pick one or multiple photos, and then tap the Share button at the bottom left. Make sure the photos are fully downloaded from iCloud. If you see a cloud icon, wait until it finishes. This first step gets you into the sharing workflow so you can create a link instead of sending files directly. If you have the Google Drive app installed, save the photo to Drive directly from the share sheet, otherwise save to Files, then upload to Drive. Once the photo is in Drive, open the Drive app, find the file, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Get Link or Manage Access. Make sure link permissions are set to anyone with the link or specific people as needed. This creates a Google link you can paste wherever required. Once you copy the Drive link, paste it into your message or email and test it on another device to confirm access. If someone reports access denied, open Drive, change permission to anyone with the link, then resend. If upload didn't complete, check your iPhone storage and network, retry the upload, or use a smaller image. Finally, make sure you didn't accidentally link to a placeholder. Open the link yourself to verify the actual photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.